Welcome to CRT 5 a.m. Model Full Forex Course Introduction class, right? So, welcome everyone who are joining this course, right? This introduction class, we will talk about what you're going to learn in this course, right? If this course is for you, if it is not for you, the essential for start, right? The necessary tools like platforms and time frames and whatever you're gonna need for this course, right? We're gonna talk as chart configuration as well, so we can align all the charts and do the correct way because time is very important, okay? And in this course, you will learn from A to Z how to become a successful trader using the 5 a.m. model to Forex, right? So before all, I want to ask for you, leave the like in this video, okay? It's for free. This course is for free. This the only way to pay me is liking and comment in this course, right? And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please join us and subscribe to the channel. And speaking of join us, you can join our free Discord community, okay? And the link is below. So you can enter there and you have all the support that you need to correctly apply the 5 a.m. model, right? So first things first, let's start what you're going to learn in this course, okay? And what you're going to learn, you're going to learn the 5 a.m. model. Oh, this looks like an S, like the 5 a.m. model, okay? That's what you're going to learn in this course. And why is the 5 a.m. model? Because anyway, I don't go so deep right now in this introduction, but we will trade the 5 a.m. time window. Okay, so we're going to trade 5 a.m. time window. This is the basic premise of this course. Okay, is you're going to have your time window to trade. Okay, and then we're going to trade only this time window. And I want you guys to be perfect to execute this, because if you execute this perfectly every day without missing, you will be profitable. And this I can promise you. Okay, so this is what you're going to learn in this course, right? And if this course is for you, I don't know. First thing, you trade Forex, right? So if you trade Forex, this course is for you. Okay, if you want to trade Forex, this course is for you. If you don't want to trade Forex, if you want to trade futures, if you want to trade gold, if you want to trade anything else, this course isn't for you. This course is specifically for Forex. Okay, and which leads me to both assets we're going to trade. Okay, and this is important to tell you now for you guys don't keeping me ask me later. And we're going to trade Euro, USD, okay, and we trade GBP, USD, okay. These are going to be the both asset class that we're going to trade in this 5 a.m. model, okay. We don't want to trade gold. We don't want to trade like dollar yen or CAD or Swiss franc or whatever shit, okay. You don't trade the 5 a.m. model, because the 5 a.m. model, it's a specific time window for this both assets here, okay. So this is going to be the both assets that we going to trade in this course, right? So the tools that you're gonna need, okay, obviously you're going to need um, a trading account, okay. That's trading. I'm gonna put trading account like this. And if you don't have a trading account, just go to the link of the description and you can get the best trading account to this model, that is the Fivers, okay. So the link is in description. It's just click there and get your trading account, right? The second thing is you're going to need your trading view, That's what I'm using here. Okay, so if you're not use TradingView, go to internet and type TradingView, and you're going to land this page right here. Okay, and you're going to use TradingView for do all your analysis. Okay, the third thing is the MetaTrader 5. Okay, and a lot of people don't like the MetaTrader 5, but I personally do because this platform is phenomenal, right? Because we don't have any problems with this platform. We don't have any bugs or something like this. And you can use the position sizer, okay? This is very, very important for us, okay? The position sizer, um, you can abilitate in your trading account, right? And the MetaTrader 5 is a platform that it's allowed by the Fivers, right? So once you get your Fivers account, you're going to log in the MetaTrader 5 platform for execute your trades. So what you're going to do, you're going to analyze here on TradingView, right? And just open the MetaTrader 5, sorry, for set your orders, okay? You're going to do all the analysis right here on the TradingView and then go to MetaTrader 5 and just place your orders, right? With the position side. That's very important, right? Um, and of course, you're going to need your YouTube for watching those videos, and you're going to need the Discord, okay? Because the Discord community is awesome, okay? So you can join. It's free to join, right? And the link is in the description. And you're really going to need the Discord for support. And you have any doubts, you can ask me there, okay? That's totally fine. Um, anyway, basic tools, I do believe is this. Okay, you don't need more tools than this, right? So let me raise this, right? And we talk about the assets. Let's talk about time frame. Okay, so time frame that we're going to use, okay, is New York time frame. I don't know where are you looking this video, which part of the world you're looking at this video, okay, but each part has a different time zone, okay, and we going to use the New York time zone, okay, the United States time zone, because it's in this time zone that shit happens, okay, uh, and it's this real time zone that the real money comes in, okay. So to do so, we're going to lock in the New York time zone. You go here to your MetaTrader, oh, your trading view, sorry. You come here to your trading view, right in the right down below here, okay, and click in this time zone, okay, and then you go to New York UTC -5, okay. You set here your time zone for New York time zone, okay. You just ignore the rest of this, okay. Just set UTC -5 New York time zone, okay, and then you should set to go. So your chart is going to show you as a New York time zone, okay. That's really, really, really important. So after we do this initial configurations, okay, you should be using right now the trading view, the Fiverr's prop firm account, because you're going to pass a prop firm account using this content, and I can promise you that, right? If you done correctly in everything I said, you will pass a lot of founded accounts. So use the Fiverr's for that. It's the best scaling plan there is in the market today, right? And so you should be set with your trading account, right? With your trading view account and your Discord community, right? So this should be all that you need for trading, right? And of course, let's set some expectations here because trading isn't a business that happens overnight. Okay, me personally, I'm 90 years of in the trading business. Okay, so it took me a long time to learn properly what I have to do and what I need to do. And my worst enemy, like I can say for sure, my worst enemy was myself all the time. Okay, so once I learned to control myself and learn how to deal with my demons, I became profitable with the right strategy, right? And this is what I going to teach you in this series of videos in this full Forex course. Okay, I will teach you how to truly dominate a strategy and to dominate your demons as well for you to become the most profitable trader that you'll ever become, right? So, but to do so, this is not going to happen overnight, okay? That needs to take you a lot and a lot hours of studying and annotations and dedicate yourself, like really dedicate yourself. But I highly suggest you do because this content that I'm going to show you in this course has the power to change completely your life, like did to my life. So I highly recommend you to pay attention and take notes and really learn this because it's a very powerful content. Okay, but needs to be patient. Doesn't happen overnight. Needs to a lot of effort. Okay, and stop and blame another people for your mistakes. Okay, it's time to grow up and accept this whole time it is your fault. Okay, it is your fault because you done things the wrong way. It's not your fault because you don't find this content. Okay, because you just find crappy content on the internet. This is not your fault. Okay, but your behavior in front of the charts, this is your fault. So we're going to correct this. Okay, and for correct this, I need you guys to trust me as your mentor. Okay, and have a full, trust in me in this sense because I know what I'm talking about because I've been through all those stages, right? So if you really trust me and accept me as your mentor for this journey to become profitable, comment down here. I trust you, Skype, and I will read all the people who came to here, right? So this is the end of the introduction class. This is all you need to know for now, and you can expect a few of these lessons per week, probably 17 or 18 lessons in total, okay, for this course. So that's it for today, and I see you guys in the lesson number 2. Bye bye.